I like how your
Also,
instant
breasts
go-to
would
weapon is
not
a
be.
rocket launcher, by the way. You know,
Also,
'cause that's not insanely
breasts.
dangerous.
I would like to point out that breasts is not a hard hit topic. If anything, it would be quite soft.
When was the last time we talked about breasts? On
Never.
AIM, that is.
Oh, there's a
I
turret in there.
probably never actually. I don't think we do that.
Oh, no, we
He's
do it
dead.
on IM all the time.
Game. I'm the one guy you don't
Alright,
crash on.
if you guys had to
Oh, that
choose
happened.
What?
Hold on.
between a woman, alright, a woman with 3 breasts,
Wait,
or
I
a woman,
need to-
woman with 1 breast, what would you rather?
I'd see. I was using the box, and you ruined
3.
it, and I hate you. I'm also gonna go with 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's like.
One
more
means
fun.
you're missing some. Or 1. Okay. Yes.
3 means you're missing everything.
I am...
All 5 of my boobies are gone!
Oh no, not all of the boobies.
You think we're going so well?
We're low on boobies
You
here,
for real
guys.
right now.
Boobies are great.
Are you for real, boobs?
Also, can you flip the switch, please? You worthless sack of skin.
Huh?
Can you stop being rude?
Oh. This
Oh
one.
my,
Can you
look,
stop being
there's a
worthless?
dragonfly.
Oh, that's not a switch. Never mind.
Alright
I
guys,
thought
it's
that was-
freaking rocket launch time. Oh yeah.
No, it's
Oh.
not.
Oh, we
Oh,
just
Stop
run.
that.
So we're gonna be
Dude, like,
ran.
2 other people have joined, by the way.
Alright,
Oh, we got some slams now? You for real? I have some slams. Here, you get a slam.
So do I. Hey, sweet.
Whoa, one guy is really far up there.
Ah! Why?
This is what happens when you give me slams.
Come on, listen. And we're gonna do it.
You sneaky cunt, you.
Oh, sneaky cunt, mate.
What are you supposed to be using this for?
You're supposed to use
What
them
is
to, like,
that?
kill enemies.
Oh,
Ah!
And that's a double gravity kill. Alright.
My worst enemy.
So welcome
Man,
to
yeah,
Ice and
really.
Chili now because that's the
Can we stop feeding gravity, please? That'd be great.
this
He's
guy
such an
has
OP.
realized that you're just supposed to run, not kill. Although you
But
can.
he ran so far away.
Alright, guys, let's just not screw this
What the hell? Why do you guys what? Excuse me?
up. What?
Do you guys realize where you all just spawn?
Yeah, inside your anus. What's your point?
Um,
You're going the wrong
we're
way.
going this way, aren't we?
I'm just
no,
shooting
no.
the gunship.
You did this.
Leave me alone.
Look, the thing is, like, you guys spawned ahead of me.
Oh.
Yeah. And so you're running back
Shit.
towards me. And that was
I'm
your
just gonna
own
make
fault.
my rocket distract the ship. If you want to shoot it, guys, be my guest. I'm just gonna keep doing these loop-de-loops.
Hey Frank, come up on top of this ladder, I have a present for you. Wow.
Do you know? Oh, dude.
I might have used it myself, I guess.
I guess this way. Whoa.
Can I just point out that, can we please kill this gunship?
No, it's alright, Frank. He's just being friendly.
No, I'm done. I'm
Don't,
done. Done with all of you.
don't you ever kill my gunship.
Ah!
You know what's gonna be fun? The end of the game.
Oh, yeah.
When, like,
You know what's
there's,
gonna
like,
be-
loads
you know
of
what's gonna
gunships
be
everywhere.
It's gonna
Although,
be
to
fun
be honest,
gravity
like,
getting
it
really
shouldn't be
fast.
as, like, annoying as it was before, because the difficulty is down now. Also, this dragon guy is trying to kill me, and it's scary. There we go.
Why am I down here? What? What?
Is someone
like a
gonna
good old
come
Frank
and help
audio
the
cue.
level change?
I'm all the way.
I'm already here. You need everyone now.
Oh, yeah. There goes the fire dragon. Man. What is his name?
There we go.
Dragon Firer. That was close.
On the way.
Wait,
From happiness to
You're not gonna
day.
make it.
Frank, you have negative 135 field score. Just want to point that
Let's
out.
go.
That's the best score.
I'm here. I made it. I made it with 4 seconds left to bear.
Wait, did you came?
Also, So I heard that you finished your New Vegas.
Yeah, I did.
So you gonna when you gonna download the contents?
When I announce it on my main channel. Come on now. Oh, God.
Okay.
I like how my car is still in the position I left it in.
Yeah.
Well, or you be like insanely rude.
That was really rude. I just wanted to make him fly backwards. I didn't want to kill him.
Oh yeah, because you know, like shooting a rocket launcher at a person—that's exactly the result that you're gonna get. Now, Mabini, remember that there is an oncoming train
Yeah.
at this part. Okay.
There's no train.
To be honest, being like a mile behind you is probably not a good idea for me. This might hurt a
There's
lot.
no train
Okay.
here.
Ah,
Guys are
This is
high. There's no train.
Okay, well I didn't die. Hey Frank, how's it going? Hey, I'm still alive. How's
What?
it going?
What just happened?
Did you survive?
Well, cause you pushed me out of the way of the train, but you just went flying upwards.
wait.
I don't.
Did you all die?
No, I got killed by Dragon Faggot. Oh look, there's another gunship. Cool. Cute. Very cute.
Oh. That guy.
We need to keep dying and make like a 20-car pileup. And then the train will be like, why can't I do my fucking job? I hate my life.
I shot that guy right up the ass. Okay. It's Amy Industries.
I'm sorry, where did the train come from? Excuse me?
That way. A lot.
Yeah,
Aim
but
in the direction.
there's a
Guys know
there's a
this is the end.
there's a wall here.
No, but it was a combine train.
Yeah, but there's a wall here.
Yeah, but combine. Because it's a combine. Hey. Whoa. Do not
I
drive
understand.
high speeds down railway. One rule.
Yeah, generally don't drive on a railway.
Me with my
actually.
7 rules here. Whoa, guys. What the hell? Come on now.
Have you
That
guys
guy
not
is
gotten
being
the
an
check-
anus hat.
I'm
So
just
I killed
gonna
him.
leave you guys
End
to
of
it.
story.
Oh, that
The
is
level change
summer.
is literally right after the train part.
See, this is why you don't use a rocket launcher to fight all of your enemies, right? Because then that happens.
Oh, nice going.
How
man.
you-
Nice going. Pro driving skills.
Oh, need more players to continue.
God.
Come on.
What?
I like how we lost our
Carmen
Sam's.
Elizabeth. Oh, fuck.
Well, gravity sure made you his bitch.
Oh well, level change is happening anyway. Doesn't matter, who cares?
I'll do it by
Doesn't
myself
matter.
if I have
Add
to.
level change. Well, I can run. Oh,
Can
no,
you
there's
run
a gun
far
shift.
away?
Nope.
And how far away can you run?
Right.
And I ran.
So how long have you been recording for?
Copyright strikes.
I don't know.
Beautiful.
Oh, is that a loading screen?
No,
We're-
it was a
we're
question
transition.
actually that you haven't answered.
What?
How long have
How
you been
long have we
recording?
been recording for?
I don't know.
Cool.
Beautiful.
Probably 50 minutes. I guess we've done 5 episodes.
50
What?
already?
No, that can't be right.
That doesn't sound right.
Maybe 20
Doesn't
minutes.
sound right.
We've done at least 2 episodes.
That's all we really needed. I don't know. We can keep going. We can stop. Whatever. It's all good.
Right,
No.
go.
Well, it looks like your computer hasn't imploded again yet.
It
Yeah,
will.
but I have a feeling it will. Yeah.
Given time, evil will commence.
Alright, maybe we'll go to the next checkpoint. By the way, sorry folks that we're doing all.
Well then. He saw my name and he was like, this guy
Listen.
right here.
Listen, Frank. I want a truce. All right.
What?
Oh,
I'm not doing
oh, no.
anything. Hello. I'm
Uh-oh.
not doing anything wrong.
Oh no. Oh
Just
god.
breaking some crates.
jeez.
That is not a truce.
How?
You see, while you were dead, we also found out that the rocket launcher does more damage to the person who shoots it
Yes,
than his
Of
intended
course.
target.
that is definitely a thing.
Of course.